Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the 4Cs framework. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to apply this customer-centric model to enhance your marketing strategy. Let's get started. The 4Cs framework, developed by Robert F. Lauterborn, shifts the focus from the traditional 4Ps of marketing to a more customer-centric approach. The 4Cs stand for consumer, cost, convenience, and communication. First, let's discuss consumer. Instead of focusing on products, this component emphasizes understanding and satisfying the needs and wants of the consumer. It's all about creating value from the customer's perspective. Example, a fitness center could survey members to understand their preferences and introduce personalized training programs based on their fitness goals and interests. Next is cost. This isn't just the price of the product, but the total cost of ownership, including time, effort, and any additional expenses the consumer incurs. The goal is to offer perceived value and ensure the total cost aligns with consumer expectations. Example, a car manufacturer might not only consider the sticker price, but also the cost of maintenance, fuel efficiency, and insurance when marketing an economical car model. The third component is convenience. This focuses on how easy it is for customers to purchase and use your products or services. It's about optimizing the buying experience to fit seamlessly into the consumer's life. Example, an online retailer can enhance convenience by offering multiple delivery options, easy returns, and a user-friendly website or app. Finally, we have communication. It's about building relationships through understanding customer feedback. Example, a technology company could use social media platforms to interact with users, address their concerns, and provide updates on new features or products, thereby fostering a loyal customer base. Applying the 4Cs framework requires a deep understanding of your target audience. It involves researching consumer needs, evaluating the total cost from the customer's perspective, ensuring convenience in the purchasing process, and maintaining open communication channels. To illustrate, let's consider a new online grocery delivery service. Understanding what consumers want in terms of product selection and delivery times, offering competitive pricing models and minimal service fees, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly ordering process, and engaging with customers through personalized emails and responsive customer service. That's the 4Cs framework, a customer-centric model that helps align your marketing strategy with customer expectations. By focusing on consumer, cost, convenience, and communication, you can create value and build stronger relationships with your customers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified the 4Cs framework for you. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Stay customer-focused and insightful.